have purchased this Made to Move Yoga Barbie from Flipkart. In this category of Made to Move Barbie, there are three kind of Barbies comes, which one have a curvy shaped body, but this I have purchased it have a shiny blonde hair. It is a Yoga Barbie, so this order comes in a very good condition. I think nothing is broken here. So let's just start the unboxing process. I'm going to open it from here, from the downside corner. This Barbie look in very good condition. I'm going to cut the wires and set it free to see all the details and everything is perfect or not. You can exchange your Flipkart orders if the order is not perfect as you want. So I'm going to checking these all things after cutting this wire. Every Made to Move Barbie come with 22 joints, so you can make human-like casual and fashion poses with these Barbies. Also, putting different clothes on these Barbies are made easy with these benefits. You can put skirt, top and etc. in these Barbies. Also lehenga and different kind of clothes, because they are flexible body. You can adjust the clothes. So now this is how it looks. Everything seems perfect here. She's wearing this pink top and blue pant. You can see how easily her legs and thighs are movable for better sitting positions. The clothes material is also very good. These are 4 joints in the hand, the knees and shoulders. You can see there are 4 joints here. Fingers are also very well detailed, I guess. These clothes are removable, so you can make clothes for your Barbie. I'm going to make another video for Barbie clothes, so you can watch that. So these clothes look fit, but it's also a very made with a very flexible material, so it is very easy to remove this with no stretching. So you can easily remove and put your clothes on this Barbie. So you can see these eyes are blue. Lip shades is also very perfect, I think, and does better with most outfit and occasions, I guess. And these eyebrows are brown colored, and in this oval face, this all combination look very better. So his face looking very better. This hair, I love this color, and the hair is so soft and also very thick. You can see she has marked with the company here. Yeah, you can remove their clothes like this. Also, you can move it from here to do different gestures. Its ankle and knees, you can see, have perfect joint and well-shaped leg. These are also marked on her inner wear. You can see Barbie written on it. Yeah, but if you wonder if this Barbie is a little bit curvy, so no, it's not. You can see fewer curves in his body because it's a Yoga Barbie. And the makers gave him a perfect fit body shape, so the curves are missing here. You can miss the curves here. I also miss the curve here on his hips and another area. Yeah, but yeah, the body shape is perfect because she's doing daily yoga. So the clothes materials is also good. Everything is detailed well. So at this price, I think everything is great. So you can really go and buy one for yourself. It is really worth.